Hello, this is Daddy and Kyle again. We're going to show you the Hoover after it's been cleaned. This is a picture of it here. I mean, as you can see, it is pretty clean now. It looks possibly as probably good as you can get it, as it is. I mean, the underneath of the machine is pretty good. And just going to show you it fired up. I mean, I haven't touched the internal parts yet. I'm sure Kyle will give me a hand in a wink with it. Gonna fire it up then?
I'm not going to fire it up.
Go on then.
I'm not going to.
And that's generally it now. I think the motor bearings are a little bit dry, so I think they're going to have to come out. But I've never done a junior motor of that sort, so we'll see what happens. I'll probably show you again what happens after maybe the electrical side and that's been sorted. Bye. Say bye, Kyle.
Bye!